Expert Option Assets. Trade on more than 100 assets. In this video, we will speak about the different assets you can trade on the Expert Option platform. There are 4 types of tradable assets: currencies, cryptos, commodities, and stocks. View all or filter by categories for easier access. If you already know the exact asset you want, find it with a quick search. The sidebar shows you the expiration times available for each asset. Choose the expiration time before opening the deal. Each asset has an expiration time based on its volatility and trading volume. For example, currencies have shorter expirations while stocks have longer expirations. Currencies are traded in pairs of majors, minors, and exotics. Cryptos are Bitcoin and more than 10 cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and Litecoin. These are the most volatile assets on our platform. Commodities include precious metals and energies like gold and oil. And stocks are international brands like Apple and Disney. You can trade on their price movements. Trading is available 24/7 on the Expert Option platform. However, the market is separated into different trading sessions based on 4 geographic regions: Australia, Asia, Europe, and America. Depending on the trading session, different markets are open and different instruments tend to be more active. For example, between 12 and 4 p.m. GMT on weekdays, both the EU and US markets are open, and this tends to cause more volatility in the biggest forex pair, Euro US dollar. It helps to keep in mind your local time zone and trading times when you choose your assets. Do you still have questions about trading assets? Speak with us. Expert Option wishes you successful trading.